Hey guys, so welcome to Vlogsgiving 2024. This is crazy. Hopefully you can't hear Spidey in the background. I tried to turn it down. If you are new here, welcome in. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm Gracie. I am a former teacher. I'm a reseller. I'm a mom of 2 kids, a 2-year-old and almost a 5-month-old right here. I also have 5 dogs, which if you've been around and you've heard me mention 4 dogs before, we do have a new dog that I'll show you in just a minute. She's right here. She's ready to be shown. I also help to run a small skincare business. So I have all my reselling platforms linked below, as well as my natural skincare makeup line. So I'll link all that down below. Yeah, thank you for joining in and joining us. You're coming? But yeah, so it is the Monday before Thanksgiving now. I figured I would just go ahead and pop on and start this thing. So I mentioned that we have a new dog. This is her. This is Luna. She is our 5th dog. Technically 4th that has been rescued. Oh boy. This is Owen. Uh-oh. Okay. Owen Cam.
Hi.
Good job, buddy. And then I'm sure you'll see the other dogs. Like there's Coyote over there, our oldest. But this is Bruno, and today is his birthday. We are guessing that he's about 5. He's a Shepherd Dane mix. He's not a small dude. But we got him actually 2 Thanksgivings ago. So Thanksgiving, or no, 3? Hold on. I guess no, we got him 3 Thanksgivings ago. Thanksgiving of 2021 is when we got him, because we got him the year that we got married. So here's 3 of the 4 dogs, 1 child, other child. Frankie is on the couch there. And then Mocha is also on the couch. But yeah, we are waiting on Jacob, my husband, to get off. Now he should be off really any minute, calling that he's on his way home. But I wanted to give an introduction because I realized that I've talked a lot about everybody, but you might not necessarily know who they are, even if you've watched my videos before. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of cooking. Not really a lot of cleaning. I mean, there will be cleaning, but probably not shown because I usually leave the cleaning of the dishes to Jacob. That's his sous chef job. But a lot of family time. I'll show you some stuff from Black Friday, assuming that we do go shopping. We usually do. I will also have all the Vlogsgivings before linked in a playlist above.
Me.
You see you? Yeah, that is black. Good job, honey. Good job showing. Very nice. So it is Tuesday. I didn't film any more last night. Yes, that color is yours to use for Marshall. We are currently coloring some Paw Patrol up here. And Sissy's playing on her mat. And yeah, we're just enjoying the morning. We do have a couple things that we have to do today. But that'll be after nap time, at least. Nap time for Evie. Mommy's driving. So it is a little bit before 11 and we are heading over to my dad's house because I have to make some wreaths and he's gonna spend time with the kids. Oh, and you knew this. You knew what we were going to go do. We'll probably be there until right before Jacob comes home, barring kids needing like naps and not taking naps there or something. So yeah, that is what we're doing by way of shipping off some packages. If I didn't say before, if I did, then I'll cut this part out. But I have all of my reselling platforms linked down below, and I so appreciate you shopping them. But yeah, I'm also accepting many offers. Most of the time I just straight up accept offers. So within reason, of course. But yeah, and I am about to be sending some like pretty good offers on Poshmark within, well, maybe not by the time you're seeing this, now that I'm thinking about it, unless I get it up Sunday. Not sure. I might have already sent the really good offers. Just trying to get stuff moving for Christmas and things like that. So that's what we're doing now. Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. I know it's after Thanksgiving that you're seeing this. I'm getting ready right now. I just made deviled eggs, stuffing, and some Chex Mix for some of the events we're going to. I didn't really film yesterday. I think I did like a little overview of what I was making yesterday, but I finished all the cooking up today, getting ready now. I will have my natural skincare makeup line linked down below if you want to check it out. It's what I'm using to get ready today. I'm not finished getting ready, obviously, but I wanted to check in real fast before the day gets away. Hey guys, so I haven't checked in a while because I had a work event, so I didn't really film, although I did have a clip, so I'll probably put that clip before this. Yeah, it was pretty good, and I was pretty happy about it. It was for my natural skincare makeup line, but it is Saturday at like 5. I plan on going home and sitting down, and I'll probably honestly go ahead and edit this video and put it up. But like I said, please be on the lookout for tomorrow, if I get this up tonight, which I'd like to, but we'll see. Be on the lookout for tomorrow. I will be sending out offers on Poshmark for a pretty good deal. So please, if you've been thinking about secondhand Sunday at all, I know today was Small Business Saturday, so today, if you're seeing this, if I get it up on Saturday, please feel free to check us out at Aegis Agape. I have the Facebook page is the best place, linked down below, for natural skincare and makeup, especially if you're into tallow base. Tallow has a lot of great benefits for your skin. Yeah, so please feel free to check that out. I also have all of my reselling platforms linked down below, but particularly tomorrow, for Secondhand Sunday, I'm going to be sending out a bunch of offers on Poshmark. So please check it out. Thank you so much if you watched till the end. I guess tomorrow's December 1st, so I will be starting Vlogmas. So if you are into it, check me out over there, or check me out on my reselling platform, check out my natural skincare business, and keep an eye out for Vlogmas if you are into vlogs like this. But yeah, I'll see you all later. Bye guys.